book photography, floor plans, copywriting, and video inside the Realhub platform. Hey everyone, Frank here from Realhub. Thanks so much for tuning in. Really quick one today. I'm going to show you a new update we've done to the system where we're going to allow people to book photography, floor plans, copywriting, and video through the Real Studios content team inside the Realhub platform. So this is going to eliminate the need for you to pick up the phone or send an email or send a text, and instead you can do it through the Realhub system. You can choose your preferred date and time, and that's an important thing to note. Obviously, this is a preference. If you're booking far in advance, fantastic. Most likely we will have that time available. If you're booking, for today or tomorrow, well, of course, we'll give you the spot that's going to best suit. We may have it available for you, but our bookings team will reach out. So let's dive on in and I'll show you how we do it. So simply in the Realhub platform on the top left, hovering over campaigns, we choose bookings. Now what you're going to notice is all of your current bookings will be sitting in this list, so you can at any stage check up what's coming ahead of time and seeing the different properties and all the different services connected to it. So what I'll do is I'll create a new booking. From here, what it's going to ask you to do is choose your office. So if you're connected to multiple offices, you would choose the one that suits you. Or alternatively, if you're just one office, select your office. And then next, we're going to select the provider. Now you'll notice it's already automatically selected us because we're this provider in this account. So next we can either create a new property, or we can find a property that's in Realhub and connect this booking to. Now, really important, this is an important step. If the property is already in Realhub, that's great, because what it's gonna mean is when we load the photos for you, it's gonna go to the correct spot. So just a tip there, I'd recommend having a property in Realhub. So next what we're gonna do is we can search the particular address we wanna create the bookings for. We're then gonna choose our date and time, just remembering this is a preference and we'll come back to you with the locked in time. And then what we're going to do is we can either select a package or an individual item. So when I say package, what I mean is you might have photography, floor plans, and copywriting for house, and that's a package that you like to choose from. Totally fine, select it from the packages. Alternatively, if you just want to book in one thing, let's call that a floor plan, you can select that individual item. Last two pieces of information. One is notes. Now, if you have any key notes for this particular job for the shooter on site, let's say you need some Balgowlah location footage, from here what you can do is you can put in that in the notes/instruction. The next thing is a tag. Now, this is something you might not need to worry about, but things like, it might be, call agent or something that's you want our team to know when they get on site to do a specific action, you can put in a tag. I'm going to hit create booking, and that's it, we're done. So our team will receive this notification. They'll assign it to the correct team members for your account, and you'll receive a notification letting you know that that time has been locked in. That's all today, nice and simple. If you have any questions, or perhaps you want to learn more about the Real Studios content team, please reach out and we'd love to share some examples with you. If you haven't done so already, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'll be consistently bringing up new updates and new things for our platform, and it's a great way to get that information. Thanks so much.